Hi everyone, it's Julie. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to just make a nice, easy, delicious smoothie to beat this summer heat that's already started. So in this recipe, we're going to be using dragon fruit, cherries, dates, and coconut milk, and that's it. For the dragon fruit, I was able to get some frozen dragon fruit here from Costco. So if you happen to have a local Costco in your area, you can find this here at Costco. I believe they also sell frozen dragon fruits at Sprouts and Whole Foods. Of course, you can get fresh dragon fruit as well, but if you can't find any, you can opt for the frozen. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started with the recipe. Okay, so this smoothie is really creamy, very sweet, very refreshing. It's so perfect for the summertime. I hope that you guys enjoyed this recipe. Please give it a try. If you've liked this video, please like down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for visiting. Bye.